Well, hey, it's Internet Adam.
And Craig.
Here, Bowling Green Chevy.
Chevrolet.
We're here in Bowling Green.
Absolutely.
Beautiful sunny day.
Oh, it's gorgeous out there.
What are we looking at? What are we looking at?
Well, I think it's a 16 Tahoe, and it's an LTZ, Adam.
So it's nice. It's got a lot of stuff on it. I think.
Leather, you talk about it, it's got it.
Look at that grill right there. That grill's shining.
It is shiny. Look at the fog lights. You know, it's champagne silver metallic gold.
That's unique.
Oh, absolutely. It's a nice color, easy to keep clean, cool in the summer, easy visibility. I can't even talk today. It's got DVD, nav, memory seats, heated steering wheel, heated and cooled seats.
That's something that people forget about a lot. You know, yeah.
5.3 engine in it, moonroof. To one owner, Adam. Believe it or not, one owner.
It looks really well taken care of. It looks like this person that owned it did the maintenance. It looks like they got in and out carefully, didn't scratch things.
No, very, very clean vehicle. You know, and if that weren't enough, it's a certified pre-owned.
Oh, that gets you a lot of extra, doesn't it?
Oh, my goodness. 12 extra miles, or 12 months or 12,000 miles, bumper to bumper. 6 years to 100,000 miles, limited warranty on the powertrain. 2 free oil changes, and 3 months of OnStar.
Gotcha. And just that peace of mind that pre-owned vehicle is going to have, if not better than that original manufacturer warranty.
Absolutely, Adam. You know, you're looking for a good vehicle, third row. You can't do any better than this Tahoe.
It looks sharp. Come see us at bowlinggreenchevy.com. We're in the showroom 8 to 6 weekdays, 9 to 5 on Saturdays. Hope to see you.
Absolutely. Come by.